Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It's your boy Big John. The at's at the bottom of the screen if you'd like to listen to my music. So is all the relevant information I will be speaking about in this video. And today what I'm going to be doing is showing you how you can use free indicators that are actually free as well. They're not paid indicators, and it's going to help you become more consistently profitable. Now, a lot of people do struggle with entry, trend, and then knowing where to put their stop loss on their take profit. And I'm going to cover that in this video and how you could use this on any trading instrument, but we will go over it on gold. And guys and girls, if you want to get into the one-time fee VIP group, then all you have to do is look on the description below. All my information is there to contact me on Telegram or Discord, and there's also payment links down there as well. And with all of that being said, guys and girls, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm noticing a lot of viewers are not actually subscribed to the channel, and they're also not commenting or liking, and it does take a lot of effort to put these videos together. If you could just give us a quick little like and a comment, that would be much appreciated. It's all to help this channel grow so I can keep giving out the best information I can on Forex. Now let's get straight into the video.
Started from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.
Okay guys and girls, so you can see I'm on my chart at the moment and I am on TradingView to do this analysis, and we're going to go through the free indicators that can help you become more consistently profitable over the long period of time. So one of the biggest things traders do actually struggle with is trying to identify the trend, and we're going to use the Ichimoku cloud in order to do that. So when we go over here, you can see I've got the Ichimoku cloud on my chart, and these are the settings for the Ichimoku cloud. So this is basic, and this over here, we just want to get rid of the conversion line, the baseline, and the lagging span. Now we've got the TDI down here for entry. So the TDI is the trader's dynamic index, and it will actually be helping us find out when the market is giving us a possible entry point. It helps to identify when the market is creating higher highs, lower lows, and higher lows. So it's fantastic to find out when the market's giving you a pullback on the time frame you're looking at, and for you to be able to gain entry. Then last, we are going to be using the William fractal points, which is set to a period of 5, which I told you in my last videos. And what this can actually do is it helps us also identify when the market is creating higher lows and lower highs. So all three of these coupled together is going to give you a fantastic idea of when the market is possibly going into a good trend and how you can gain entry. So what I'm going to do is use the bar replay just to show you how you would take these trades live. So our confluences for a buy trade is just to make sure that price action is above the Ichimoku cloud, and then we have a bullish TDI crossover, and then for a sell it would be price action below the Ichimoku cloud and then a bearish TDI crossover. We're only using the fractal points to figure out where we can put our stop loss and where possible take profit levels can be. So let's just play the bar replay. And there we go. As soon as this turned green the first time, our entry would have been right here. So I'm just going to literally mark this out. So we literally would have got in on this candle over here. And because we're in a possible buy trend, it's telling us that this could possibly be a higher low that's being formed here. That's what the fractal point is showing us. So our stop loss just has to be below this level. Now, where our take profit levels would be is all of these places here. You can see right up here towards the left. All we have to do is look where we want to go, and I'm going to go all the way up to this one up here, which is the top over here, and let's just watch this play out and see what happens. And there you go, guys and girls. This was actually a 6 RR trade, which was absolutely perfect for us. And this is how it can work for you in your favor, being able to trade the trend like that. So now I'm going to show you an example of a bearish trade. Let's just use the bar replay mode again. And we can see the TDI is bearish here, and price action has actually crossed underneath. Now you won't want to enter here because look, the TDI turned bearish when price action was crossing through. So I just want people to pay attention to that. That is not your entry. We want price to be above or below the cloud and then the TDI to turn bearish. That's when we're looking for our entry. And that candle did not close bearish, so even though you saw it flash on here, that was not our entry. And now we can see the TDI has stuck in place. So some people will think that that's a repaint issue or it's something like that. No, what it actually is you have to wait for the candle to close. When the candle closes bearish or bullish and does a crossover on the TDI, that will actually make the TDI stick in place. If it does not do that, then do not look for your entry in that trade. That would be you jumping ahead. You don't want to do that. So now we can see it's closed solid here. What we are looking for is our entry. So for us to gain entry, we will be getting in on this candle here, and our stop loss would just be here, which is above the previous lower high that had been formed in the market. Now we can see all our take profit levels could be here, 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 or even all of the ones down here. So I'm going to target some of the ones down here to see what actually happens with price action. Currently, the market has stopped here at the moment, which is a 5.92 risk to reward ratio. And you can see just using these three indicators, you can see clearly how you would have been able to trade this setup. Now, I do even want to tell you, I was going to make this video yesterday, and this was one of the trade setups that was here, and there's previous ones on the left as well. There's many setups like this, because a lot of people would say, well, you're only trying to cherry pick these trades because they're there. No, you need to go and test this out yourself. If you have a trend detection, you have something to know where your stop loss and your take profit can be, and then you also have an entry system. You know, I use the Trinity alerts, which is in the one-time free VIP group. That tells me when the market is breaking structure. I enter off of those, and you can see this is the TDI here giving you entry. And look, guys and girls, if I was making this up, why did it happen here? Why did it happen here? Nothing is going to work all the time, but when it does work, it's going to give you great setup. And I would suggest using it on a 1 hour time frame or higher, because if you try and use it on lower time frames, yes, you can scalp with it, but the consistency can go down. So you'd have to play more and more with your risk to reward. But here we go. Here's two setups, and this is exactly what it does. So in summary, what you want is a trend detection indicator, which is the Ichimoku cloud. And then the next thing you want is a entry system, which is the TDI in this video. And then you want something that can tell you where your stop loss and your take profit can be, which we're using the William fractal points. Guys and girls, it's really that simple. And if you like this content, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Again, if you do want to get into any of my VIP services or anything like that, hit me up in Telegram or Discord. It's your boy Big John, and I'm just trying to give you the source. And now I'm out. Peace.
Started from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.